Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Class 2. And now we are on chapter 9 that says My Little India. So it's a poem we'll be reading. So this poem is about a classroom in which the children from different places study together. They speak different languages. The classroom looks like a little India. So in this, the poem, the poet has compared the classroom with India. So the poet says that the classroom looks like little India. So we'll look for the reason why it compares, the classroom with India. So before we read the poem, we have a small activity. We have the national flag to be colored, and you all know that our national flag is called Tiranga. It is tri-colored, saffron, white and green, and the Ashoka Chakra, the spokes, there are 24 and it has to be colored in blue. So can you name the colors? Yes, we can, and we should all respect our national flag. So let's read the poem. My class is a little India. Little is small, with friends from everywhere. So we all know that in our class we have friends from everywhere. We have friends from different states, right? They speak in different languages. So definitely when we have friends from everywhere, every state has its own language. So the classmates, they speak in different languages, which appears funny to his ears because he cannot understand. So many languages from places far and near, Hindi, Telugu and Marathi, yet the same smile they share. So the poet says that, so many languages because people are coming from so many different places from far and near. The different languages are the Hindu, the Telugu, the Marathi, but though they all speak different languages, but one thing in common, that is in common is the smile which they share, right? They sing in different languages. They sing beautiful songs in Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, but together they dance along. So the poet says that though they all have different languages, they sing beautiful songs in different languages like Punjabi, Malayalam and Tamil, but then, together we all dance, we all dance together. My class is a little India with friends from everywhere. So here the poet has, compared the classroom with India because like in India, we have different states and, people, they belong to different states. They have their own culture. They have their different food, then their dress, their costume, their art and architecture, their music. So each state has its own, special food, special costumes, special music, monuments. So like in India, we have people from different states. Similarly, the classroom, the classmates, the students were of different states. They used to speak in their own language. So it has been compared to little India. When I speak in my language, it sounds funny to their ears. So the poet says, like when they speak and their language seems funny to me, similarly, when I speak in Hindi, my language seems funny to them because even they are not able to understand my language. So, do the children speak in same language? No, the students, they all speak in different languages because they all belong to different states. What do the children sing in the song? So the children, they sing beautiful songs in different languages like Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam. So that was the poem. Now let's come to the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of far? Very good. Near. Which of the following means the same as tiny? Tiny means little, tiny means small. Now we have the extract. Based on it, we need to answer the questions. What same thing do the children share? The same thing the children share is their beautiful smile. My dash is a little India. My classroom. My class is a little India. Children speak same language. No, they all belong to different state. They speak different language. So it's a false statement. Name any 3 languages that the children speak. Okay. So the different languages the children speak are Hindi, Telugu and Marathi. We also have, the children singing in Punjabi and Malayalam. Write the rhyming word of near from the extract. Okay, so it is ear. So rhyming words are the words that have the same sound but different, the two set of words which have the same sound with different meaning and different spelling. So now we have to tick mark the correct option. The class is like a dash India in the poem. It is like a little India. And see how beautiful comparison has been done. The different languages sound funny to the narrator's ears. The children in the class, they sing in different languages. Next, we have the questions based on the poem. What is the poet trying to say in these lines? They speak in different languages, yet the same smile they share. So the poet is trying to say that though the students come from different states, though the students speak different languages, though the students they sing different songs, but one thing in common they all share is their smile. Name any three. Do you think that if I'm a Punjabi, my smile would have some Punjabi touch in it? Or if you belong to Maharashtra, your smile would be different? Or if you belong to Haryana, your smile would be different? No, the smile is common. The smile which we carry, the beautiful smile, is common. Name the three languages that the children speak. So the three languages which the children spoke in the class were the Tamil, the Malayalam, okay, let me check. So Hindi, Telugu and Marathi were the three languages. And even in Punjabi, Tamil and Malayalam, they used to sing songs. So it means that they knew these languages also. What name does the poet use to refer the class and why? So the class refers the name the little India, and it compares the class with India because like in India we have different states and we have people with different languages and different dance forms. Similarly, in the classroom, the students, they belong to different states and they had their own language, and they used to speak different languages, they used to sing songs in different languages. So this is the reason it has been compared to India. So that was all about the poem. It was a beautiful poem, right? So you will all read the poem once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Children, take care. Happy learning.